What's going on, guys? I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm sure a lot of you have noticed that I haven't been uploading for a while, and that is because on July 22nd at 7:30 p.m. my mom was involved in a car accident. My parents were just walking. A guy was making a left turn. Guy had high beams in front of him, and he couldn't see my parents, but he should have been looking at the crosswalk anyways. Made the left turn right into my mom. She flew about 6 feet and fractured her knee. My dad suffered just like a swollen knee and a few scratches. But yeah, she needs surgery, and I've just been at home taking care of her. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. And thank you guys so much for all wishing her a speedy recovery and sending her love and all your prayers. It never goes unnoticed, and it really means a lot to me. You guys have seen my mom in the vlog. She's kind of funny, and she's my everything. I would be nothing without her, and I definitely wouldn't be where I am today. So I hope everything goes good, and that's pretty much why I haven't been uploading. I also have had to inject her stomach every single day with blood thinner at the same time, and feeling like a certified RN now. Feel like my parents are proud. All the work, but not the pay. I have videos lined up, so don't worry. Everything's gonna go back to normal soon. My mom's getting better, and I'm sure once the surgery is done, she will be on a way faster route towards recovery. I'm honestly sure she'll be fine, so let's pick the mood of this video back up and let's do a little giveaway. I don't know if you guys remember the last coat. I used their products in one of my videos. They sent me over a little goodie box, but I have a lot of their products already and I don't need any more, so I decided let's do a little giveaway for you guys. To enter, all you have to do is comment your favorite mod on my car and like the video. That's literally all. You don't even need to subscribe. I'll probably pick the winner in about a week. Good luck to all of you guys in this giveaway. Kinda sucks. I was so excited to hang out with my mom today because I had a surprise for her. But I'm gonna show you guys a surprise because a lot of you guys might actually like this. So my boy Phantom sent me these over because I wanted to get these for my mom to surprise her. Dude hooked it up. Look at how great his work is. I don't know if you guys have an Apple Watch. My mom has one, and I feel like this would be the perfect gift for her because she loves designer, anything. She's super bougie. The quality on these are so amazing. Look at that. I'll put his Instagram down in the description as well as on the screen here. Dude kills it. Like, he is the #1 right now. And thank you so much for everything that you do. She's gonna love these so much. I can't wait to show her these. So now that I've told you guys everything, let's get back to today's video, because this one is a good one. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. If any of you guys like that montage that we did earlier and fucks with Demon Slayer, you're a real one. Comment down below if you watch the show, and if you don't, you guys should definitely watch it. It's one of the best animes out there right now. So today, we're gonna be doing a full mod list breakdown on my car. A lot of things have changed in this past year, so I want to do an updated mod list, answer all of your guys' questions about what I'm running on my car, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so for the front end, I'm running a black pearl front bumper. This is a half bumper right here, and you can only get in Japan, so that's really expensive. It's probably my favorite front end. Right below it, we have an APR carbon fiber front splitter. And I think it really complements this bumper because it fills up this missing gap right here. And from there, we have a carbon fiber hood by Saibon. I paint matched the hood because I feel like it looks so much more sleek and kind of OEM. This isn't a race car, so I'm not trying to make it look super riced out. The DRLs, everyone always asks me about these. This is just paint. It is spray tint, red paint. That's it, no wrap or anything. So these headlights are full custom. I opened them myself, painted them, did some candy red rings around it, so that's pretty cool. So all of you guys keep asking me about these fog lights. These came with the bumper. You cannot get them anywhere else. You have to buy this half bumper to get them. Tanjiro! So next up, we have my wheels, BBS LMRs. They are 19 by 8 plus 36 and 19 by 9 plus 45. And with these BBSs, I have a big brake kit, which are OEM ISF Brembos. So this is a big brake kit from Lexus, and it's all OEM. If you guys haven't checked out that video, check it out here if you want to see that conversion. So as you guys can see, we have BBS, we have BBKs. You know, all I need is that BBC. Now, we have my side skirts. These are black pearl complete side skirts, so they match the fronts, and they look cute. I had to stop slaying demons so I can slay these fucking swirl marks. So here I have a custom RCF Invidia exhaust. These are not meant for this car, but I got them custom welded, and we have a Tom's Racing diffuser right here. So it goes really well since it needs quad exit exhaust for this diffuser. Next up, we have a Cybon carbon fiber trunk. I also paint matched this, but I left this strip carbon fiber just because it gives it that little flare, you know? I think the last thing we have for the rear is this roof spoiler. I think it's just an eBay one. My girlfriend got it for me for Christmas, and the seller stopped selling it. So all of you guys who are asking me, I don't know who sells this anymore, but eBay roof spoiler. All right guys, moving on to the interior, we got a custom carbon fiber steering wheel. This emblem I painted myself. Everyone always asks me how I did it. Just took it off and full sent it. Then we have our Smellables, because this counts as a mod too. Check them out, link will be in the description below. Got Nipsey over here. This one's a banger right here. Next up, we have my Katana shift knob. Fucking love this thing. And I also took off my wig and everything because I know there's only so much you guys can take of me in that cringy ass outfit. We also have this remote. All you OG fans know what this powers up. We got stars in the sky, baby. We also have this weak ass chandelier. And right here, I have an Apexi throttle controller, and that helps me go faster. But it really doesn't make me go faster. All right guys, now we have everyone's favorite mod, and it's these RCF seats. These are only the upper half. They're honestly so comfortable. It like hugs your love handles. Everyone loves these. They always ask me where I got them. Guys, I will try my best to put all the links for each one of these parts in the description below, but please watch through the whole video so you know exactly what I'm running before you just head down to the links, because help your boy out. The last thing in my interior that is actually really significant is probably gonna be this premium 2020 push to start button. Yeah, feel that shit. So premium, oh yeah, fucking love this shit. There's one last mod I forgot for exterior, and it is this mirror cap. We have them on both sides. They're paired with AEROWOLF mirror visors. I don't know, it just adds like a little flair right here. You see this? It's like a fucking ox horn. Fucking Ox King up in this bitch. All right guys, now we can move under the hood. So it's nothing too crazy. I have a Tom's Racing strut bar. Oh, that shit's hot. It pretty much just stabilizes your car when you're making turns, less body roll. And I'm sure you guys have seen the painted engine bay covers. This is all custom painted by me. Kind of came out okay. It's not the best thing. And this air to oil separator, it's basically like an oil catch can. It prevents all the old oil going back into your engine. It kind of catches it and less carbon buildup. I have way less shit than I thought. So in the rear, I also have these rear spats that are from an E92 BMW. And it's crazy because I didn't think they would fit my car. And one of my buddies told me to try it, and it worked. Here they are. All right guys, now we're gonna move on to suspension. The suspension that I'm running right now is Airlift 3P with Air Force bags and struts. And for the rear, in order for me to get this -5 camber, I'm running SPC camber arms and Megan toe arms, because you need those two to get this camber and achieve it safely. Look at this, tilty boys right here. Does my car look broken? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that mod list. That's pretty much everything I have on the car. I don't know why in my head I thought I had a lot more things, but I guess I don't. Stay tuned, there's gonna be a lot more things to come. I have so much planned and a few more videos coming out after this. There actually is one thing I forgot. I just got an RR racing tune on the car. So the car is about like 22 horsepower faster, which doesn't really make a difference. It's still slow, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really liked it and this helps you and your build and you're kind of stumped when it comes to looking for parts, leave a comment, like the video, share it with your friends, show your dog. You might eat your dog. So don't forget to stay safe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh! Hold up guys, before we end today's video, a lot of you guys requested to see me skateboard more in the videos, so that is what we're going to be doing today. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the skating. We didn't get that much done because I suck ass. Thank you for watching. Huge shout out to Carlos for filming the whole mod list, and for my buddy Eric, ET, for filming the cinematics. I think we're just gonna end it right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this skating. Let me know down below, and I might throw some more in, but dude, that shit gets me so windy. Anyways, don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh! Tanjaga!